If we could find
I know, that's what I'm wondering about, but I mean, it
do
could.
these spinners all at the same time. We'll be off the lab.
Oh, that's right.
Would you help Rylan get a little piece
In fact,
of
we should feed him more fruit so Shannon has to deal with it.
Should be by the stream.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, spacious skies. For the amber waves of green. Oh, purple mountains majesty. Above the fruited plain. Oh, my nose. America.
I got a sore throat.
Shed his grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood. See to shine and see. Oh!
So I was in the back room in my bedroom, David, and a bunch of these fireworks would hit the tin roof out on the porch in the back.
Oh, is that right? They were landing over there? Ooh, that's scary.